Hi, my name is Eric and today I'm going to tell you absolutely everything about Auritine. I decided to test Auritine because I was suffering from a noise in my head and I wanted to be able to be at peace with my family and friends, without that noise stressing me out all the time. Until I discovered Auritine, a product that promised to end all the ringing, buzzing and hushing inside my head that bothered me so much and disturbed my day. But pay attention, I have a very important warning for you in this video, so you better watch until the end before you buy this product, okay? First, be careful with your purchase. Many websites are selling the fake and ineffective product out there, so the only link where you should order is on the official website. To make it easier, I left the link to the official website here in the description and in the pinned comment of this video to help you buy the original product. With this you will have the security of receiving the true and correct content, in addition to all official guarantees and support. Now let's talk more about Auritine. First, did you know that researchers have discovered the root cause of tinnitus is directly connected to your nose? Tinnitus is, in fact, a symptom of a much larger concern for your brain. That's why Auritine is composed of selected nutrients to clear your airways of pollutive particles. Only those who suffer from tinnitus know how much it gets in the way and makes our day bad. We get discouraged, tired and stressed very easily and no one deserves to live with that. Not us, not our family, right? That's why I decided to test Auritine, which is suitable for people of all ages and has a formula that is 100% natural, non-invasive, and promising helps to get rid of the noxious chemicals of your brain tissue so you can easily and effortlessly break free from tinnitus. Now you must be wondering, but was Auritine worth buying and did it really work? And yes, it was worth it and it worked perfectly. It really is a non-invasive and safe method that will let your mind and brain become sharper and rejuvenated. And the side effects? Well, the side effects may include prolonged periods of blissful peace and an overall stronger brain. You should also know that Auritine is produced using high-quality ingredients in an FDA-approved facility using the latest technology and equipment. I was really surprised because Auritine is a product that goes straight to the root of the problem and takes care of tinnitus immediately and safely. I feel much happier now. If you, like me, want to get rid of tinnitus, take advantage of the link below in the video description to buy it on the official website for only $69 per bottle, which is a great discount with all the safety guarantees of the official website. And they are so reliable that they also offer a 60-day warranty to test and confirm the effectiveness of the product. I'll tell you, living free from tinnitus is priceless and you deserve it too. Auritine has totally changed my life for the better and that's why I recommend buying it. Remembering that if at any point during the 60 days you are not fully satisfied with this purchase, just send an email and you will receive every dollar paid for the product back, without questioning the reason for your withdrawal from the purchase, which shows how the company really cares about customers and their results. Feel free to test it out with the reassurance that if it's not great for you, you can get your money back with a simple email. Everything will be fine and you will also be free from the noises and humming, believe me. So I hope I helped you guys with this video with my honest opinion.